Most people think they're trapped. Either you bulk up, get stronger, and watch your waistline blow up, or you cut calories, get lean, and your arms turn into spaghetti. One makes you feel heavy. The other makes you feel weak. Either way, it feels like you're losing. But here's the truth. Most fitness channels won't tell you. That trade-off is optional. You can burn fat and build muscle at the same time. Not with magic. Not with supplements. With strategy. The problem is, people think the body works like a switch. Bulk equals muscle. Cut equals fat loss. One on, one off. But the human body doesn't work like a light switch. It works like a dimmer. You can push muscle growth while pulling fat off your frame at the same time, just not at full extremes. That middle ground is called body recomposition, and it's how you get stronger, leaner, and more athletic without wrecking your physique. Here's what's actually happening. To lose fat, you need a calorie deficit. That puts your body in a breakdown state, where it uses stored energy, mostly fat. To build muscle, you need an anabolic signal, hard training, enough protein, and recovery. Most people think that only works when you overeat. Wrong. Under the right conditions, your body can pull energy from stored fat and still build muscle. That's the edge. Now, not everyone can do this equally, but chances are you can. Beginners are in the best position because your body adapts fast. People with extra body fat already have stored fuel, and comeback athletes rebuild muscle faster because of muscle memory. The only people who shouldn't chase recomposition are already lean, advanced lifters pushing their limits. If that's you, respect. For everyone else, here's the playbook. First, train with intent, not random workouts, not ego lifting. Push, pull, squat. Control every rep. Progressive overload is non-negotiable. If the weight, reps, or control never improve, neither will your body. Stay clean. Stay consistent. Second, nutrition. You don't need to starve. You need precision. Eat just below maintenance so fat comes off while muscle stays protected. Protein is your insurance policy. Miss it, and recomposition collapses. Third, sleep. Sleep isn't rest, it's construction. Poor sleep burns muscle and stores fat, 7 hours minimum. Treat sleep like training. Fourth, cardio, but smart cardio. Skip high-intensity cardio. Walk more. 10,000 steps a day will burn fat without killing gains. And don't let the scale lie to you. Recomposition doesn't always mean losing weight. It means losing fat, gaining muscle, and changing shape. The mirror tells the truth. The gym numbers tell the truth. Apply this consistently, and your body will change. Not overnight. Not with hype. But in a way that lasts. This is Omega Body. Discipline over motivation. Execution over excuses. If you want a physique that commands respect, start acting like it today.